Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set whether story replies are visible or not in the Snapchat app. First, let's open up the app. Here it opens up in the camera. From here we just go into the profile menu. Then we tap on the settings, scroll down, and under public profile settings we tap on our name. And here we have manage public story, show public story replies. Here we can turn this off, and then the replies to our story aren't going to be public. So yeah, if it is turned on, as in it's public, then we have some muted words that we can add. But that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.